Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Dyson hair dryer has suddenly stopped working properly, is shutting off unexpectedly, or doesn't seem to be performing as it normally does, a reset may help restore normal operation. Temporary overheating protection, airflow restrictions, or electrical interruptions can sometimes affect the Dyson hair dryer and cause unusual behavior. Fortunately, many of these issues can be resolved without replacing the device or requiring professional repairs. Giving the Dyson hair dryer a fresh start is often enough to get things running smoothly again. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple steps that may help you successfully reset your Dyson hair dryer. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Dyson hair dryer and unplug it from the power outlet. Step 2. Inspect and clean the filter area of the Dyson hair dryer if necessary. Step 3. Allow the Dyson hair dryer to cool down completely before restarting it. Step 4. Reconnect the Dyson hair dryer to a working power source. Step 5. Switch on the Dyson hair dryer and check that airflow has returned to normal. Step 6. Confirm that the Dyson hair dryer is operating properly and that the issue has been resolved.